Now I'm going to show you why you should never put a BIC lighter into your survival kits. Other lighters I've generally had better luck with. BICs, not so much. This BIC has been sitting inside of a box for numerous years. I don't know how many, potentially up to 10. And I'm going to show you. I've not tested this one yet, but I've tested numerous others in over the last month or so. And I'm going to show you right now why this is not the go-to. Everything looks okay. Maybe. What is this? See that little dust? No sparks. This wheel freely moves. This is what every single BIC lighter does after it's been stored for so long. Small ones, big ones, doesn't matter. Completely worthless. Don't use BIC lighters in your survival kits.